I'm gonna shout you out.
Huh?
I'm gonna shout you out. It's Fat Hicks and the Sticks here. You got Old Red, Big D, and the Green Giant over there. We got Fat Boys Fishing over there in the orange. Trying to catch some catfishing. Or catch some catfish. Try to catch some catfish down here at the Ohio River.
Just call me Big Pappy.
And Big Pappy over there, I guess. The Green Giant over here caught what? 5-pounder? 5? 6?
5.5? No, it was 6.
It was 6.
A 6-pounder flathead, probably about 15 minutes ago.
6-pounder flathead.
24.5 inches long.
24.5 inches long. Well,
They don't start getting a pound an inch until you get up around 45.
we got everything set up over here. We got our
a pound per inch.
cooler of fish, got our net, got our poles in the water. Hopefully we're going to catch some fish. We going to do a dip review for y'all. Red Seal Straight, long cut. So I'll have that dip review out for you here in a minute or so.
Give him 3 years and you wouldn't have any other fish left in your pond.
What?
A flathead.
They're really big thing.
Yeah, flatheads eat about everything.
I mean, Jake, when their mouth gets that wide, there ain't nothing in that pond they can't eat.
Turtle?
Oh, he can eat a turtle. Turtle bracelet.
You want to do dip review?
Yeah.
All right, y'all.